In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Yoco as a payment gateway and connecting it to your website. Remember that at Sony Marketing Communications, we do web development services. And the web developments that we do, we use different platforms to do web development. We use Wix, we use Spotify, and many other platforms. So now, in this case, this is the case whereby we just need your details so that we can use those details to connect your Yoco to your website. So basically what we need here, we need public keys and we need secret keys. How do you generate or how do you get these keys? You go to sell online. Then when you get to sell online, you go to payment gateway. Payment gateway basically is going to give you those details. Remember, I told you that we use different platforms as well. Wix, we do use it. Even Shopify, we do use it. But you go all the way to the bottom of the website. These are the keys that you're looking for. Live public key, live secret key, test public key, test secret key. These are the keys that we need to test your website. If the link that we've connected to your website, it works, we're going to use the test secret key. And then once we have tested and we've seen that it works, now we're going to use the live both live secret key, live public key, and the live secret key. So these are the very important keys that we need, and this is how you get them. Now you need to create the products that you're selling. Let's make an example. In our business, we have web hosting services. So we're gonna go back to sell online, and then we get to sell online. There's a link there here that says send payment link. So these are different payment links. I'm gonna make an example with this one. This is premium web hosting monthly plan. Once you've created this link you can pay for as many as possible. You can share this link with as many people as possible, or people who click this link can be able to make a payment, and they can be able to make a payment according to what you've served. So let me copy this link. Let me go to a different browser altogether. Let me paste the link and then let me punch enter. While it's still connecting there, I'll go back to here and then I will try to create a new link altogether. I'll say send payment link. And then in these details here, you create the customer. Let me say customer, it's Absa Bank. Absa Bank, it's your customer. And then let's say that, or rather, let me say your customer is Absa Bank. Let me say that you may as well want to include what do you charge them for. And then you'll say, let's say web development. This is let me just call it web development. I'll leave it that way, and then you put your amount. Let's say it's 8,000. That's the amount, and then from there you say next, and it creates the link. So every time when the link somebody clicks the link, this is basically what they will get. I'll also copy the link. I'll go to a different browser altogether. I'll paste it and then I'll punch enter. While it's still opening, let's go to the one that I created of web hosting monthly plan. This is the link. When client click here, it will lead them to the next stage whereby client would have to pay banking details, not banking details, but card details. Client will have to punch in the card details in order to process the payment. However, you need to understand that this link will be behind the buy button on the website. This link will be hidden behind the buy button on the website. Client will only be able to see this once they buy a particular product. So this is basically what you would see, what client will see when they buy a particular product that you're selling on your website. Let's go to the one, the apps, that one that I've created. Here it is. You can see that the link already is connected to the company. Cancel. It's connected to the company. The logo is also there. The numbers are there. Apsa Web Development, 8,000 pay. When you click pay, it is still going to take you through the same method. Now, this link, I'll go back to the links. This is the link. This link is connected to the product and the description of that product. So when you copy this link, this is the link. Let's say on your website, you've got 20 products. You'll have to one by one create those 20 products one by one, and you create them. And then after having created those products, just like we have created products here, rec hosting plan, rec hosting my server plan, dedicated hosting plan, domain registration and hosting, and all those plans, all of them, they are here. So if I've got 18 products here, I'm going to have to create 18 links for those products, and then we put them nicely on the website or behind the website. So basically here in this case, what I will need will be the actual link. You create a link, it creates the link. So for us to be able to connect this product to the website, we will need the link for that product. But remember, on on the link itself, when you create the link, you're gonna have to write on customer name. So, but because this link we are preparing it for the website, on the space of customer name, you can basically write the product name. If your product, it's, let's say you're selling cosmetics, you'll say cosmetic, and then the name of that cosmetic. Let's say the cosmetic is lotion, a cosmetic lotion, or lotion cosmetic. Let me just say lotion cosmetic. That's the name of the product, lotion cosmetic. And then maybe you might as well, maybe it's 5 milliliter or something size, you know or 5 milligram, depending on what exactly are you selling. And then you put the product, the price of the product. Let's say it's 150. You'll do that. So it is better for you to put it in details, so that the person who will be buying, it will at least be connecting with what you would have put on the website. If on the website is lotion cosmetic 5 milligram, on this on the link it also has to be lotion cosmetic 5 milligram. Why? Because client can only make a distinction between the link and the what they are buying on the link and what is written on the website through the description of the product. So what you put on the website as a product, it has to also reflect on the link. Going back to the link, this is basically how you would create your link, and then you say next, it creates a link just like that. And once the link is created, the person who will be doing website for you would need this link to connect the link with the website. So this is how easy it is. Remember, on this video we did two things. First, it was payment gateway, on how to connect, or rather how to get the keys, how to get your keys, private and public keys. And then the next thing, how to create a link. And then those are the details that the people who will be creating website for you would need. If you got any question, let me know your thoughts on comments below.